AR assisted knee replacement is usually based on artificial intelligence technology, where a surgeon wears glasses to locate the exact anatomy of the patient's knee in a 3D model. In AR assisted knee replacement, it provides continuous feedback on bone resection, implant positioning, soft tissue balance, so that the accuracy of our surgery will be 100% specific to that particular patient. So this is a patient specific knee replacement. AR assisted knee replacement can be used in all those patients who has unsatisfied with the conservative therapy of physiotherapy, analgesics or intra-articular injections, and their day-to-day life activity is hampered with the pain and disability. In other words, you can say all the patients who are candidate for knee replacement can be very well managed with AR assisted knee replacement. In traditional knee replacement, we are using different kind of jigs to achieve proper alignment. However, the placement and the sizing of the implant is based on the intra-operative observation by the surgeon, and stability is achieved by the trial implant. So, it is the conventional technique which has been using since decades. However, in AR technology, where it is based on the 3D model, even before going to the operating room, we'll have all the data, which kind of implant, which size of the implant, and where exactly our implant is going to fit on the patient's knee anatomy, and what will be the stability and what will be the soft tissue balancing. The accuracy is almost 100%, and all these data will have even before going to the operating room. So our surgery will be faster, our accuracy will be 100%, and when the surgery is this kind, the result is obvious. We are going to have 100% result in such cases. In AR assisted knee replacement, patient can walk the same day. Due to more accuracy and less soft tissue damage, it has got a enhanced recovery period, so that there will be less hospital stay and patient can get back to his routine activity much earlier as compared to the conventional total knee replacement.